There, this is pretty much the home screen of the AI application. A lot of templates which you can use with this AI and a lot of features which you can use. As you can see here, you can try any one of these, as you can see here, and do keep in mind you're going to need credits or points to use these. So this is pretty much the amount of credits you will get once you start first using the application. And if you do need more credit, you have to pretty much purchase these. As you can see your credits here. So for the templates for these, as you can see, a lot of trending templates which you can use. A lot of Christmas, although Christmas have gone already, but you can use these as well. So whichever one you want to use, for example, you want to use this Christmas one here, let me see, you can tap on the see all option to see pretty much all of the Christmas ones here. And as well, you can also scroll across at the top here and see new year pack, or for example, this one here. So let's say you want to try the new year pack, you can tap on the one that you want, and it will pretty much ask you to upload a photo of yourself, and you pretty much get these results. So make sure the photo that you upload is pretty much a full body of you, and that's it. You pretty much get these results. So it will tell you how much credits you will need to generate the video, as you can see here. So to get to that section, as you can see, you just tap on the plus icon here, and you'll be able to see the template section, a lot of templates as well, which you can use. You can tap on the more option to see the templates much better for you to understand the templates and so forth. So as you can see, a lot of them are very different. All you have to do is just upload a clear image of yourself or a clear image of you and your partner. As you can see, some of them are just like, as you can see for this one here, you have the kiss version, as you can kiss and up version, and all you have to do is just upload 2 images of 2 different persons, so you're pretty much good to go. And as you can see, these other one here as well. So a lot of templates which you guys can use. So at the top here, you just tap on this option here. You can do a lot of different things. Instead of using templates, you can turn the image into AI. An image, all you have to do is just upload the image that you want to turn into a video, and pretty much describe what you want the image to do. And here, if you don't have anything in mind, you can always tap on this. As you can see here, and it will give you something in mind. And as well, you can select the style of the video you want to be generated for it. So very, very easy to use. And also you can select the sound effect as well, which I do recommend. And down here is very important as it relates to how much images you want. As you can see, you know how much videos you want as well. So at the top here, the task section here is pretty much how much videos you want to generate. Down here is pretty much the quality of the video. You can see 180p and 720. So the higher the resolution, the more credits you're going to need to generate the video. And as well, how long the video is. You can see you have 10 seconds and 5 seconds. So down here, it will pretty much tell you how much credits you need to generate the video. So at the top here, pretty much can see, as I said before, this is where you go. Pretty much see how much credits you have, and you can as well purchase credits. So that's pretty much it for that there. And you have a lot of different sections which you can use. You have the music section here, which you can pretty much generate your own music and so forth. You can tap on this option where it says AI generate lyrics, and it will just give you, if you don't have anything, man, it will just generate something for you, and you can even go ahead and edit it. And as well, you can generate or select the style or input your own style into the music as well. Pop, country, hip hop, whatever cases, pretty much can see all of them down here as well. So you can as well enter your personal ones as well. So that's really pretty much it as that. And you have a lot of different features which you can use. You have video extension, which pretty much explains itself. You have a talking avatar as well. And you have the text to video option, as you can see here. And I forgot to mention, you'd be able to select the model. Even for the image to video, you'll be able to select your model. You can tap on the top here. And based on the model you'll be using, will also affect how much credits you're going to need to generate the video. So if you're using Cling 2.6, which is very new and it's very powerful, not gonna lie, you can tap on this option here and enter your prompt. And as you can see here, I'm going to need 20 credits to pretty much generate the video. And as well, they do offer subscription, so do keep that in mind as well. But as you can see, you can also add your image as reference. Nothing much for that. And down here, you can as well go ahead and add the resolution and aspect ratio. Some of them, you won't be able to select the aspect ratio, so those do keep that in mind as well. But that's really pretty much it for the application. As for the subscription, you can tap on the crown icon on the top here. We'll show you the subscription price and so forth. Nothing much for that. And here you pretty much can go and get your credits to generate your videos. So that's really pretty much it for this video. If I missed anything at all, let me know in the comment section, and I hope I see you guys in the next one. I forgot to mention the profile section here is pretty much where you see all your generated AI videos, AI photos, videos, and musics. So do make sure you go in the profile section here to check them out. And as well, in the settings option, you can contact their support team, which is using their feedback option there. If you have any problem at all with your purchasing or anything like that. At all. So at the top here, you can get the pro subscription as it relates to this. So you can go ahead to this section here as well to get their pro subscription. The first option that I'll show you was the offer that they was giving me, and they might as well give you the offer if you're new to the application. But overall, it's a very decent application, not gonna lie. And if I miss anything at all, as I said before, just comment below and I'll see if I can help you. See you in the next one.